First time duckling swimming in the water. I pick one and put it in the water. So it is the first time for the duckling swimming. I pick the second duckling and put it in the water again. So the duckling look like enjoying the moment swimming. Every species is different. And then the third duckling, I put it in the water. This is the first time for this duckling. Okay, it jumping in the water. They look like enjoying the time swimming. Another species like Peking duck look like doesn't enjoying swimming, but this type of duckling, the hybrid duckling, they love to swimming in the water.